Let's see next question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Let the fraction be, take the fraction as x by y. Okay. So we introduce the variable x as numerator, y as denominator, so that the fraction will be x by y. Now read the statement. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator. 2 is added to numerator and 2 is added to denominator. So if you are adding numerator and denominator by 2, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. Now what is our numerator? Numerator is x. So x plus 2 by what is denominator? Denominator is y. Y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. That is the first condition. If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Now listen, x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. Now take cross multiplication. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Now open the bracket. 11 into x 11x plus 11 into 2 22 equal to 9 into y 9y plus 9 into 2 18. So 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Now collect x and y along left side and constant along right side. So 11x plus 9y becomes minus 9y equal to plus 18 plus 22 becomes minus 22. Okay. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. Now this is our general form of a linear equation in two variable. So we converted this form into our general form and put it as equation number 1. Okay. Now listen, the second statement is if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So numerator is x, denominator is y. We are adding 3. 3 adding to both the numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 5 by 6. Okay. Again take cross multiplication because it is not in general form. So 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Now open the bracket. 6 into x 6x plus 6 into 3 18 equal to 5 into y 5y plus 5 into 3 15. Now take this 5y to left side. So 6x minus 5y equal to 15 plus 18 becomes minus 18. That is 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. Okay. So x and y terms left side, constant other side. So this is general form. Keep it as equation number 2. Okay. So we have two equations. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 1. And 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. This is equation 2. Now see these equations. Here we can consider either x or y. Okay. See, in both equation you can see coefficients. Coefficient of x is 11, coefficient of y is minus 9. So we can consider either x or y. I am going to take equation number 2. So from 2, What is equation 2? 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. Here I am going to substitute for y. So minus 5y is equal to minus 3 plus 6x becomes minus 6x. So what is y? Y is equal to minus 3 minus 6x by minus 5. Okay. So from 2 I replaced y as minus 3 minus 6x by minus 5. Now put or substitute this y value in equation 1. Substitute or put y in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Now put this value here. It is 11x minus 9 into minus 3 minus 6x by minus 5. That is our y value equal to minus 4. Now open the bracket. 11x, listen, 9 into minus 3 or minus 9 into minus 3, that is plus 27, minus 9 into minus 6x, 9 into 6, 54, divided by minus 5 equal to minus 4. Okay. Just to multiply minus 9 with minus 3 and minus 6x. Now again you can consider this as 11x by 1. Take cross multiplication. Okay. So 11x into minus 5 plus 1 into 27 plus 54x divided by 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Now 11x into minus 5 is minus 55x plus 1 into 27 plus 54x is 27 plus 54x itself divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now take this minus 5 to other side. Minus 55x plus 27 plus 54x equal to minus 4 by becomes into minus 4 into minus 5. Now listen these two terms. These two are x terms. Minus 55x plus 54x. So minus 55 plus 54 is minus 1x or minus x. Minus x plus 27 is equal to 20. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5, 20. So what is minus x? Minus x equal to 20 minus 27. 20 minus 27 is minus 7. So minus x equal to minus 7. So x equal to 7. Okay. X equal to 7. Put this value in the expression y equal to minus 3 minus 6x by minus 5. So this becomes y equal to minus 3 minus 6 into 7 by minus 5. That is y equal to minus 3, 6 into 7, 42 by minus 5. Minus 3 minus 42 is minus 45. Minus 45 by minus 5 is equal to 9. Y equal to 9. So x equal to 7, y equal to 9. Our question is, what is the fraction? So we consider the fraction as x by y. So x is 7, y is 9. So 7 by 9 is our required fraction. Now we can check whether this result or fraction is correct or wrong. See the first statement. If you are adding 2 to the numerator and denominator. So 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2. 7 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 gives 9 by 11. That is correct. If you are adding 3 to both the numerator and denominator. It becomes 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 3, 12. 10 by 12 is same as 5 by 6. So our statement is correct. That means our fraction is 7 by 9. Okay. Listen. The given pair of linear equations are not in general form. So we have to convert this equation into their general form. For this, take cross multiplication. Okay. So 3x into 3, 9x minus 5y into 2, 10y divided by 2 into 3, 6 equal to minus 2. Now take this by 6 to right side. So 9x minus 10y is equal to by 6 becomes into 6. So minus 2 into 6 minus 12. So listen, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. This is our first equation. So we reduce this equation into its general form. Similarly, take the cross multiplication. 2 into x, 2x plus y into 3, 3y is equal to, by 3 into 2, 6 equal to 13 by 6. Here we can cancel these 6. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That is our equation 2. So we have equation 1, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12, and equation 2, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Okay. Now consider equation 1 or equation 2. I am considering equation 2. Okay, you can consider any of this equation. Now I am going to substitute for y. So equation 2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So what is 3y from here? 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. So y equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Okay. So from equation 2, I substitute y equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Now put this y value in equation 1. So if we put y equal to this expression 13 minus 2x by 3 in equation 1 becomes 9x minus 10 into 13 minus 2x by 3 equal to minus 12. Now open the bracket. This is 9x minus 10 into 3, 130, minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 2x plus 20x divided by 3 equal to minus 12. Now this 9x can be written as by 1. 9x by 1, take cross multiplication. So this is 9x into 3, 27x minus 1 into 130 minus 20x divided by 1 into 3, 3 is equal to minus 12. Okay. So this is 27x. Open the bracket. Minus 1 into 30 minus 130 minus 1 into plus 20 plus 20x. Okay. Minus 130 plus 20x equal to minus 12 by 3 becomes into 3. So this is 27x minus 130 plus 20x equal to minus 36. Now 27x plus 20x, that is 47x minus 130 is equal to minus 36. Now take this minus 130 to right side. So 47x equal to minus 36 plus 130. So minus 36 plus 130 gives, listen, 130 minus 36. This gives 94. Okay, plus 94. So 47x equal to 94. So what is x? x equal to 94 by 47. This is 2. So x equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 2. Now find y. What is y? Y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Put x equal to 2 here. So y equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 by 3. That is 13 minus 2 into 2, 4 by 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. So y equal to 3. That is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Okay. We can check this answer is correct or wrong. For this you can consider one of the equations. Suppose this one. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3. Consider left side only and put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 here. So 3 into 2 by 2 minus 5 into 3 by 3. Here we can cancel this 2 and 3. 3 minus 5. What is 3 minus 5? It is minus 2. Look at right side. Okay, minus 2. So our answer is correct. Okay, so you can go through the examples and exercise question. You can see how to solve the given pair of linear equation by the method of substitution. Okay, so study well, practice it well and attend the test paper. So thank you all. Have a nice day.